What if I told you that you could earn money online by simply watching YouTube videos? You could earn thousands of dollars with this new and entirely free global website that I'm going to show you. All you have to do is watch YouTube videos to earn $2 for 60 seconds for free. Whoever said watching YouTube videos was a complete waste of time can now sit back, relax, and enjoy watching videos while getting paid for it. To get started, simply sign up for this new, free website, visit YouTube, and watch some videos and get paid. That's it. But before we jump into it, welcome to Coinity. We teach you the fastest and easiest ways to make money online without investments and without experience needed. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on ways to make money online. Leave a like to this video as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and watch till the end to learn and start making money online. It's easy to make money online quickly and easily. You will even get paid for watching YouTube videos. It doesn't get any easier than that. To watch the video, you must first have a YouTube account. If you don't already have one, go to youtube.com and sign up for a free account. Click the Create Account for Myself button. Type in your first and last names, your email address, and a password. Then click the Next button. Make sure you watch the entire video and stick with me to the finish, because I'll show you how to use this platform to help you earn a ton of money and get the best results, plus it's completely free. The next thing you need to know is how you will be receiving your earnings. Many people make the mistake of going straight to any of these websites that pay them to complete various tasks and then actually start making money on these websites. There is no need to worry, because we've got you covered. PayPal is one of the best ways to collect your earnings and withdraw your money, because it is completely free and is available everywhere. Therefore, before we begin, you must visit paypal.com and just click the sign up button. The sign up process is quite simple and can be completed in under 5 minutes. Let's move on to picoworkers.com, an online marketplace that connects entrepreneurs and freelancers with simple, affordable tasks. This is our money-making website, and PicoWorkers can help you in a variety of ways, whether you're looking for a side job, looking to supplement your income, or just want to make some extra cash online by getting paid to watch videos. You'll be directed to this page where you can see how much money users of this website make each day and even each hour. These are the workers who are earning money online. Here, you can see the most recent workers who complete tasks and their results. As you can see, we have users from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Kenya, and a lot more countries. We have people earning a few bucks, $100, $500, and they have people from all over the world from various nations using this service to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars. We even have people earning $1,000 here, which is pretty amazing. You can view all of the proof of payments right here on this website. They have different payment systems, and this is the amount that people have cashed out. You may notice that this isn't something that will make you rich, though again, don't expect to become rich from this, and don't expect it to. We even have people making $1,000 per month here, which is very incredible. In the freelance and earn section, you can also view the most recent withdrawal requests. They actually have many payment systems, and this is the amount that people have cashed out. And you can examine all of the proof of payments right here on this page. You can see that this won't make you wealthy, but remember that neither should you expect it to take the place of your day job. It's just something you can do on the side to enhance your income now. Now that you're in the freelance and earn section, I want you to click the sign up link to create a free account and start earning money. You'll need to enter your real name, a valid email address, a password, and a username. And you can choose your country from the list of all the countries they accept users from. After completing the entire sign-up process, choose your country of residence, and I'll show you how to get started earning money online. Once you've successfully registered an account, you can log in to view how your new freelance account will appear. Different jobs are accessible here, and different jobs pay different amounts. So you can see your potential earnings on the right side of the page. I want you to switch this category section over to video marketing and then click the Apply Now button. That will show the many available jobs. You have thousands of projects to choose from that you can complete and get paid for. Imagine if you only need to click on a YouTube video to view it in the comfort of your own home or bed, and that you can do this whenever and wherever you choose while getting paid for it. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to Coinity and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Returning to the video, how does it work? Simply click on any job listed here. As this is a new account, you'll need to provide some personal information. On the left side, enter your birth date, followed by your city. Enter a security question below, along with its response, to save. Now, by watching the video, you can see how much you'll be paid. What is required of employees is as follows. First, visit youtube.com. Second, search using the keyword provided. You must type it, do not copy it. Third, use this image to locate the video. Keep in mind that using any search filters, such as it's newly uploaded or any other, will prevent you from being paid. Next, watch the video for at least 9 minutes without skipping it. Failing to do so will prevent you from being paid. You can earn money online by leaving the video playing on mute so that you don't have to watch it in its entirety. You must like the video to do this, so watch it first and then click the like button to confirm your liking. You can continue to watch those videos in the background and it will still count. But since there aren't many jobs that pay you to watch YouTube videos, if you want to get the best results and earn more money and free Pico workers, you can also complete other tasks or jobs. They're also incredibly simple, so even total beginners can complete them. This is a microjobs website where individuals will pay you to like their posts like their Facebook posts. It only requires a single touch of a button and you will get paid for it by merely joining up to a free platform. In this way, all you have to do is visit a website. So you simply click the link and get paid for it, and it doesn't get any simpler than that. Sure, the pay isn't that high, but considering the amount of work required, I believe it's well worth it. If you want to start an online side business, consider investing the money you make through Pico workers in something you think will increase in value over time. There are thousands of other jobs that you can do, and you can do as many as you like, such as joining up for various platforms where all you need to do is supply an email address, first name, and last name. You can comfortably sit for a few hours and complete hundreds of these tasks, and the money will build up quickly. You've probably noticed that some of the people on this page are already making thousands of dollars. So I hope you learned how to make money online today by just watching YouTube videos. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to Coinity and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.